Today's our topic is biggest and smallest number. How to identify the biggest and smallest numbers. Now, first example. 885, 223, 908, 454, 583. Circle the biggest number and cross out the smallest number. So first you have to identify the biggest number. So how to identify the biggest number? Here in the number, what is the highest place value? We have to identify that one. So here ones, tens, hundreds, all numbers are having hundreds place value. Now see the hundreds place value. Here 800, here 200, here 900, now here 400s. Now in this 500. So here we can easily identify that which is the highest place value. 9 is the highest number, means biggest number. So 900s here. How many hundreds? 900s. So remaining all are 8, 200, 400, 500. So this is the 908. So in highest place value, what is the highest number? We have to identify first. How many place values are given? What is the highest place value in the number? And what is the highest number in that given place value? We have to identify. So then we have to choose that is it a biggest or smallest number. So 908 is the biggest number. Now we have to circle the biggest number 908. So remaining all 800. In the hundreds place value 800. So 800 is smaller than 900. Now in the second one 200s. 200s is smaller than 900. Now 400s. 400s is smaller than 900. Now 500. 500 is smaller than 900. So 900 is the biggest number. So the number 908 is the biggest number. You circle that one. Now come to the smallest number. How to identify the smallest number? See the smallest number. Here in hundreds place value, which is the smallest number in the hundreds place value? 8, 2, 4, 5. So automatically we will say 2 is the smallest number. So 2 is smaller than 8, 5 and 4. So 223 is the smallest number. You cross out the 223. So like this we have to identify. Come to the another example. 335, 567, 900, 600, 540. So in this number, as usual, we have to identify the first highest place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So all numbers are having hundreds place value. Now in the hundreds place value, what are the numbers given? We have to see that. So here 5 is 500s, 600s, 900s, 500, 300. So here which is the biggest number? Identify. 3, 5, 9, 6, 4, 5. So which one? 9 is the biggest number because 9 is bigger than 6, bigger than 5 and bigger than 3. So 900 is the biggest place value. So like this easily we can identify that biggest number. So we circle the biggest number. Now come to the smallest number. Here which is the smallest number? 300 is the small, or 5 or 6 or 500. So here 6 is bigger than 5. 6 is bigger than 3. So we want smallest number. So 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 6. So automatically 335 is the smallest number. This is the identification of smaller and biggest numbers. Now come to the another example. See here 112, 123, 321, 676, 332. So now children, here we have to identify the biggest number as usual. See the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. So all are having hundreds place value. So in the hundreds place value, what are the numbers? 300s, 600s, 300s, 100, 100. So here, which is the biggest number? 11363. So which is 6 is the biggest number, means 676 is the biggest number in the given numbers. So circle the biggest number. Now come to the identification of smallest number. So how to identify? As usual, hundreds place we have to take because here all hundreds numbers are given, hundreds place values are there. So we have to identify the highest place value, that to know the biggest or smallest. So in this highest place value, hundreds, so we identify that 676 is the biggest number. Now come to the identification of smallest number. So here 100, 100, 300, 300. So 300 is bigger than 100. So we no need to see these two numbers. Now here come to these two numbers. So here place values are same. That too, these two are smaller than 321, 332. So in these two, which is the smallest number we have to identify. So here 123, 112. So hundreds place values are same, 100, 100. Now then what to do? We have to go to the next highest place value. Hundreds after the highest place value is tens. So ones, tens, hundreds. Here hundreds place values are same. So we go to the tens place. We go to the tens place. Here in the tens place 1 means 110. In the here in this number 123, tens place 2 means 2 tens 20. Here only 110. Here 2 tens are there. So then where is the smallest tens? In which number having smallest tens? So this 112 is having only 110. Here 123 is having 2 tens. So 110 is the smaller than 2 tens. So automatically 112 is smallest number. Now come to the another example. 708, 709, 907, 889, 998. Here we have to identify biggest and smallest numbers. So now as usual, what we have to identify? The place values. Here all numbers are having hundreds place value. So here 700, 700, 907, 889, 998. So now here highest place value. Where is the highest place value? 9 is the highest place value. But here 2 900s are there. So 2 900s means here also place value hundreds. 900s is the highest. Here also 900 is the highest. Remaining all 800, 700, 700. So those are smaller than 900. Now here in this 2 900s, 2 are both same place values, same number they are having. So then what to do? How to identify? Then we have to go to the, as usual in the previous example I told you to go to the next highest place value, where we have to go to next highest place value. First we identify the highest place value in the given number, hundreds. So here both are having 900s. Then we go to the next highest place value is tens place, So here in that 907, 0 tens, but in the next number 998, 9 tens. So now tell me which is the highest tens in the number? 998, having 9 tens in the given number. So 900s, 9 tens. But here 900s, 0 tens. So which is the biggest number? 998 is the biggest number than 907. So we have to circle the biggest number. Now come to the smallest number. So here 889, 708, 709. So 889 is the bigger number than 708, 709. So this is not the smallest number. Now here these two, 708, 709. So here also hundreds place values are same. 700, 700. Then where we have to go? We have to go to the next highest place, tens place. So we have to go to the next highest place, tens place. In the tens place here also 0. In the next tens place here also 0. In the another number also 0 tens. Here 0 tens, 0 tens. Here tens place also same. Then where we have to go? The next highest place, ones. Then we have to go to the ones place. Here 8 ones, here 9 ones. Now tell me where is more ones? 9 ones is the more. Then 8 ones is less. So 708 is the smaller than 709. Here only 9 ones. Here 9 ones. Here 8 ones. 9 ones, 8 ones. So 8 is smaller than 9. So automatically 708 is the smaller than 709. In the given sum 998 is the biggest number. 708 is the smallest number.